What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today we're gonna finally install my rear diffuser. Now I was thinking of getting something like a carbon fiber, but I also thought about like I should get something that will match the rear deck lid. And you know what, let me just unbox it so you guys can see what I got. Okay, let's see what we got here. Bubble wrap. So we got ourselves a gloss black rear diffuser. Now I was thinking of getting the carbon fiber, but I decided to get gloss black mainly because I have a gloss black deck lid, and I figured it would be better if I have everything to match up. Came with this. I also have a bag with some screws and basically just to replace it. I think these are like T30s, so T30 Torx. Anyways, let's go ahead and take the stock one off. Okay, with the aftermarket rear diffuser, we're looking from the inside of it, and I just want to show you guys all the clips were supposed to be connected, because this is pretty much identical to the stock one. As you can see right here, we have the loops where you have 3 Torx, and then you have each of these inserts where it clips on to the rear bumper. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 on the right side, another 3 on the left side, and then throughout the middle it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you take the stock one apart, you gotta be careful you don't break the clips. Also when you put this one in, you want to make sure everything is seated properly so that it looks flush and clean, and basically look, have a complete good finish. So with that in mind, guys, like I said, take your time. It's plastic. Things will break if you try to wrestle through plastic. And let's go ahead and take the stock one out. So it's kind of a pain, especially in the corners right here. You're gonna have to need to use a screwdriver and just be very careful and kind of like go, I'll put over here, try to find where the connection is and try to get in between and pry it downwards. When you do that, you pull. It's a little bit harder on the corners here, mainly because of an awkward angle, but once you get these 2 sides off, this whole middle pretty much is easy, and hopefully to the other side of the diffuser will be as simple. And we finally got it off. So it was a little bit of pain at first, but pretty much got easy afterwards. And this is how it looks without a diffuser. So weird, man, having these exhausts just kind of like, sticking out, all that gap, but it's gonna be even better. I'm gonna go ahead and remove any excessive dirt and dust right before the installation, and then basically put it back on in reverse. All right, let's do it. So I haven't secured it, I just lined it up, and it looks pretty good so far. Right before I secure it, I forgot to remove the plastic cover. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna secure everything. So let's remove that. Alright, so pretty much remove all that plastic wrap or cover, whatever you want to call it. And right now it looks so good. All that gloss. I can't wait to put it back on. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, right before you secure the rear diffuser, you want to make sure you line up each and every tab in each hole. The main reason why, because now this is not as flexible as the stock one. So if you break it, you break it. You know what I mean? So you don't want to pry anything excessively or try to bend any of these little tabs beyond where it's supposed to be. So once you line it up, go ahead and secure, or you don't have to really secure, but like make sure these edges right here, these tabs for the edges right here are secured on both sides. Once you do that, everything should be as really easy. So now all I have to do is press in. Connects just like that. Let's keep going to the other side. Bam, bam. And I think that's it. And voila. It's secured properly, lined up perfectly. And then last but not least, go ahead and reinstall these T25 Torx, either the one they're given to you, or you could actually reuse the old one and it's basically secure the sucker. So I'm going to do the last one right here, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So with the new rear diffuser, it looks so damn good. It actually makes the car look way more aggressive from the back. And if you can see, it looks really good with the deck lid. Yeah, it looks really, really good. The only flaw I have relating to this is that it is a lot thicker, so it pokes out more, so it has that more aggressive look. And with that, my exhaust tips needs to be readjusted. So I most likely have to stick them out, or I could just go ahead and buy 4-inch tips so it could fill in this gap a lot better down here and have it stick out. But other than that, it's pretty good, man. I can't complain. I'm really happy with this. And if I'll leave a link down below if you're interested with this product itself. I chose the gloss black. They also have carbon fiber if you're interested. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.